Good afternoon everyone. In the last session we have studied about the main factors which are responsible for infertility in males. Okay, so there are the 4 factors which we have studied in the last session, that is first one cryptorchidism, second one erectile dysfunction, third hormonal disturbance, and fourth one is chromosomal defects. Okay, so now we will see which are the other factors which are responsible for male infertility. Other factors: alcoholism. If there is excess consumption of alcohol, definitely it will result in low sperm count. Low sperm count को क्या बोलते हैं? Oligospermia. What is oligospermia? Oligospermia is a condition wherein there are less number of sperms in the semen, one ejaculum of semen. Okay, so एक ejaculum of semen में कम sperms रहते हैं, जितने millions में रहने चाहिए उतने नहीं रहते हैं. Got it? Then alcoholism, ये first factor study किया हम लोग ने. Then second factor, use of anti hypertension and anti psychotic drugs for longer time. Anti hypertension, hypertension means high BP. If the person is suffering from hypertension, he has to take on daily basis anti-hypertension tablets. Okay, so this anti-hypertension tablet has one side effect, that is it results in oligospermia. It results in oligospermia. Similar way, if anti-psychotic drugs are taken for longer time, it will also result in oligospermia. Okay. Then third factor, that is orchitism. Orchitis. Okay. Orchitis means it is inflammation of the testis. Then varicocele. Varicocele is the condition wherein there is enlargement of the veins of scrotal sac. So scrotal sac में जो blood vessels रहते हैं, जो veins रहते हैं, उसका enlargement होता है, because of which there is no proper sperm formation and it leads to oligospermia. Then hydrocele. Hydrocele here means accumulation of watery fluid in the testis, because of which there will be inflammation of the testis. Okay, so यहाँ पे testis का inflammation होता है because of accumulation of fluid, remember, and overall inflammation of the testis is taking place in orchitis. Okay, so orchitis, inflammation of testis. Varicocele means enlargement of the veins of the scrotal sac, and hydrocele is accumulation of fluid in the testis. Okay, so we have studied 5 more factors which are responsible for low sperm count, which are responsible for oligospermia. Okay, so oligospermia can be mild, moderate or severe. If it is mild oligospermia, then semen will have 10 to 20 million sperms. Moderate oligospermia में क्या होता है? Moderate oligospermia, in that 5 to 10 million sperms are present in one ejaculum of the semen. And severe oligospermia. Severe oligospermia में क्या होता है? There is less than 5 million sperms in the one ejaculum of semen. Okay, so there are very less chances of fertilization because बहुत ही कम quantity में sperms रहते हैं in the semen. Okay, got it? So mild, moderate and severe oligospermia. So oligospermia means less sperm count in the semen. What are the factors? Alcoholism, use of anti-hypertension drugs and anti-psychotic drugs, then orchitis, then varicocele and hydrocele. Now we will study other reasons for oligospermia. So other reasons for oligospermia can be because of malfunctioning of any of the part of male reproductive tract. Okay, अगर जो sperm carry करने वाला जो कॉर्ड है दैट इज स्पर्मेटिक कॉर्ड और वासा डिफरेंशिया ही ब्लॉक हो गए तो देर विल बी नो पैसेज ऑफ द स्पर्म्स इन द यूरेथ्रा and through urethra it will not enter in the perineal urethra and from perineal urethra during sexual intercourse these semen has to be released in the female genital tract. So यहाँ पे अगर टेस्टिस फंक्शन अच्छे से कर रहा है, टेस्टिस का स्पर्मेटोजेनेसिस प्रोसेस भी बराबर से हो रहा है, if at all the spermatogenesis process is occurring in proper way but the sperm which has to be carried in the urethra, if that track is blocked then definitely it will result in infertility because semen में बहुत ही कम quantity में sperms रहेंगे depending upon blockage of the vasa differentia. Okay, so absence or blockage of vasa differentia or vasa efferentia. Vasa differentia are the spermatic cords which will carry the sperms and vasa efferentia actually these are the small tubules which are coming out from the testis. Okay, vasa efferentia join and then afterwards vasa differentia is formed. Okay, singular is vas differens. Got it? So blockage or absence of any of this part will lead to infertility in males. Okay, then second, if at all if any male is suffering from any infection, okay, so there are many viruses which may invade the body and cause damage to the male reproductive system. Okay, so first is mumps. Mumps का virus अगर body में enter हुआ तो parotid salivary gland which is the largest salivary gland which is present in front of ear gets inflamed and there is inflammation of the testis also and this virus also affects the functioning of testis which will result in low sperm count. Then infection of seminal vesicles, then infection of prostate gland. Seminal vesicles and prostate glands are the accessory glands which are responsible for production of alkaline fluid which is important for mobility of the sperms as well as maintaining alkalinity of or basicity of the semen. Okay. So prostate gland and seminal vesicles are also very important glands. अगर उसका inflammation भी हुआ तो it will result into oligospermia. Then thirdly, presence of anti-sperm antibodies. Anti-sperm antibodies. अगर मेल के बॉडी में ऐसे कुछ एंटीबॉडीज बन रहे हैं जो एंटीबॉडीज स्पर्म्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर रहे हैं. So these antibodies, if they are destroying the sperms, there will be less amount of sperms present in the semen. Okay, and if less amount of sperms are present in the semen, there will be no fertilization. Okay, so this also results in male infertility. So other factors में क्या क्या देखा हम लोग ने? Absence or blockage of the vasa differentia and vasa efferentia which will result into oligospermia. Second is acquired infections like mumps, infection of the seminal vesicles, infection of the prostate gland and lastly presence of anti-sperm antibodies. Okay, got it? So here we have finished with infertility in males. So in the next lecture we will be studying about infertility in females. Thank you.